Hey guys, it's Sarah from the Frugal Bear and Bear Made Crafts, and I have a bulk order for laundry soap. So I figured I would take you guys along and show you how I make my powdered laundry detergent. I do use 4 pounds of baking soda. I get the Hospitality brand because it's $2 for 4 pounds. We're going to use the Super Washing Soda by Arm & Hammer. This is 3 pounds, 7 ounces, and it's $4.12 at Walmart. The 20 Mule Team Borax, which is 4 pounds, 1 ounce, and that's $4.47. I know some people are saying you don't need this and that because they're almost the same thing. However, I do want twice the amount of baking soda to borax, and this is much cheaper. And I really enjoy the way it works. We're also going to be using LA's Totally Awesome Oxygen Cleaner. I get this from the Dollar Tree for $1, and we have 2 of those. And then normally I would use 2 bars of Zote Soap, shredded. However, my store only had 1. So I ended up getting 3 of the Fels Naptha as well. I have already started grating, as you can see. So I will bring you along as I make this. Okay, so my Zote soap was a little too soft yet. Usually I would open it a day or 2 before trying to shred it. I did not do that this time, so I did have to take and run it through a food processor. When you're doing it with a food processor, you want to make sure that you're adding baking soda in along the way just to keep it from clumping up. I do still have a little bit of clumps in here. I'm just going to pull them out. Like I said, I do have 3 bars of Fels Naptha in here, so it's all good. We just don't want any huge chunks. Like, that would just be too big. I know some people are probably wondering why you just don't always do it in the food processor. You can burn your motor out, that's why. As it was, I stopped where I was at because my motor was getting really hot. So, and that's even just pulsing it, so we just don't want to ruin our stuff. So, and I will take and let these dry out a little bit more, and then I will add them to the mix once I'm able to shred them a little bit better. So for now, I'm just going to set those aside. And I am wearing gloves because this is for an order. However, I would suggest that you wear gloves, just because baking soda, while it is really good for your skin when it's mixed with water and stuff, when you are working with it with bare hands, it's very abrasive. So you do want to be careful. So we're just going to dump this whole thing in. If you have sensitivities to the dust, then I would suggest wearing a mask. But since I do bath bombs and everything all the time, I don't have an issue with it. So, of course, now is going to be the time that I'm going to start to cough and hack and everything else. So, I'm just going to mix all of this up. Now, the price on this is going to be right around $20. For me, it's just over $18. And I'm going to get 245 loads out of this entire bin. Now, I have a high efficiency, extra large capacity load washer. And when I'm doing the extra large loads, I'm going to use 3 tablespoons of detergent. And for standard, I'm probably actually just going to use 1. Now that 245 loads is at a 2 tablespoon amount. So if you don't have a high efficiency washer and you're doing a regular load, I would suggest using 2 tablespoons. I have a clump here that doesn't want to come out. There we go. Borax. Probably would have been smart to open all this stuff beforehand, but then I wouldn't be me. Now you can use essential oils to scent your laundry detergent. Just make sure that it's nothing that's going to react with any members of your family, obviously. This one is no additional scent added. You can add the what are they? The scent dryer or scent boosters. What the heck are they called? Oh, Unstoppables and stuff. And I do occasionally do that if it's been requested. But for this order, it is not. So this is our oxygen booster from the Dollar Tree. Isn't it pretty? And if you're making this at home, like I said, 245 loads. It's going to last you a long time. It's always a request from my family members that they get this. Always. So my mom and my stepmom and my daughter always request this. And for some of them, I had made them glass jars years ago for the laundry soap, and it says laundry today or naked tomorrow. So they still all have those, and when it gets empty, they request more. So let's make sure everything is nice and incorporated. Once again, under $20, 245 loads right here. So, beautiful. Well, if you liked this video, give it a thumbs up. And keep an eye out for other videos. I think my husband is also going to be joining the channel here soon, so we'll see what he comes up with. He's upstairs painting right now, so. All right. You all take care. Bye.